subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Tecno has launched its new entry-level smartphone under Pop series in Mexico called Tecno Pop 5s. Talking about the specifications, the Tecno Pop 5s supports a 5.7-inch HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio, and it has 84.6% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by 1.4 GHz quad-core Uni-SoC AC98632E chipset, paired with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Tecno Pop 5s features an AI-featured dual-camera setup on the rear that includes one 5-megapixel primary camera along with the QVGA sensor and LED flash. At the front, it has 2-megapixel selfie camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box under Go Edition, and it packs with 3020 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features an face unlock system for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 148 by 72.3 by 9.9mm, and it weighs around 160 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Tecno Pop 5s has been priced in Mexico at 2,239 Mexican pesos, and it will be available for purchase in the country in green and purple color options. So what do you guys think of this Tecno Pop 5s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.